Let's take a quick look at the Zentality Smart Projector JY360. All right, this is a very tiny projector, probably one of the smallest that I've owned. HDMI out right here. You can also connect mini stereo input here for headphones, USB out. Here's the front of it. Okay, there's the main lens. This is the focus sensor. Okay, in the back is the speakers. This is where your sound is going to come from, and there's an issue connecting with the sound system, but I'm going to show you how the sound come out of here if you're installing an external box. On the bottom we also have a mount, so you can mount this on your ceiling. If you have that ability, then you'll be able to mount it on the ceiling, and it'll still give you a very good picture from there, or you can just set it on your table and you can still get a good picture there. It comes with a remote control. There's a remote control for it. These are all the things that you can use with it. It's already going to take the Wi-Fi signals just like you can with any other device. Take the Wi-Fi signal and you can check out YouTube and all these other different streaming platforms. Here's the volume right here, up and down. You also have, this is a mute button for it. You can also adjust your focusing, home button, back button, and you got power button right here. Also your settings. You also have this little mouse which acts like a little mouse cursor. It does come with an HDMI cable, and here is the power source. Okay, so it's a side connecting power source, and the way you connect it to power, it's right here on the side, and you're just gonna hold that. It's gonna be red when it's turned off, and then it lights up blue when it's ready to be turned on and you're ready to start watching your shows. All right, so let's connect it, and I'm going to show you what the issue was with the sound, but I was able to fix it, so let's get to it. Okay, so in order to fix the sound not working on your projector, it's not going to be in the settings of the projector itself. It's going to be in the settings of your box. As an example, I have an Xfinity box. That's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to go into the settings of the Xfinity box to show you the setting you need in order to be able to get some sound. So let's take a look at that. So depending on your streaming box and whatever you have connected to the projector, in order to get sound to come out, you want to go into the settings right there, and then you're going to go into device settings, which I have highlighted, and we're going to click on that with the remote. And then what you want to do is you want to go down to audio. Okay, so you're going to go into audio, and here is the thing. This is why you're not getting any sound. See this HDMI audio output? Okay, it's automatically detected Dolby Digital Plus, and the projector won't be able to get that audio signal, so you're not getting any sound. So in order to fix it, we're going to go into this. Okay, and what we just want to go up here to stereo. See that? It says audio will be output in stereo, PCM. Okay, that's the main thing you want to look at, PCM, and we're going to highlight that. And now your HDMI output signal is in stereo, and that should solve your audio issue. And once you go back, you'll be able to hear audio coming out from whatever device you have connected to your projector. And then that's it.